Hello! So it has been a little while since I've uploaded a video, and it was not my intention to go this long without posting, but the summer has unfortunately been a little bit hectic. So today I wanted to just talk a little bit about what has been going on in my life, and then talk a little bit about some of the upcoming projects that I have in the works. So essentially this summer has not gone to plan at all, really. I was sick for the second half of July, and then August has been a series of appointments, medical and dental and vet. And then my cat has been sick as well, which has been a little bit stressful to deal with, but she seems to be doing better now. I'm just trying to keep a close eye on her, and I'm giving her medication. But yeah, she seems to be doing a lot better than she was a few days ago. I'm hopeful that she will be more or less back to her regular self within a week or so. So with all of this going on, I haven't really put a lot of time into crafting this summer, but I do have some plans for some things that I want to work on. First of all, I have finally picked up the Sophie shawl again. I was working on this a little bit yesterday. So the last time I updated on this one, I had kind of just reached the halfway point and I'd set it aside, and honestly, I hadn't picked it up since until yesterday. So I am now past halfway. This is the halfway point, comes to a point in the middle. So now I'm just working my way down the other side, and it's going to get narrower and narrower until I get to the other end, which will taper off like this. I will do a part 2 video on this project. However, it's probably going to be pretty short because I think I've said a lot of what I want to say about this project in part 1. So if you're interested in checking that out, I will leave a link up above and in the description below, so you can look out for a part 2. I'm hoping this goes relatively quickly now that it's getting narrower instead of wider, so each row should be quicker and quicker to do. So in addition to that project, I have a bit of a secret project that I'm working on. I have a video coming up where I use Pinterest to decide what project I work on. So I have that pattern decided. So I bought the Drops Baby Merino, and I believe this color was called Plum, but it's really more of a raspberry. I think it's not super purple. It's more of kind of a almost muted magenta sort of color. So I have 3 balls of that. So stay tuned to see what that project is about. And then the other project that I have on my to-do list is a baby hat for my friend's son. My friend sent me a picture that she had found of this hat, and I was able to find the link for the pattern, and it just happened to be a free pattern as well, which is amazing. So I'm going to make this, but I'm not going to do the exact pattern as is. I wanted to do a different type of bird using the same structure. So again, stay tuned to see how that one turns out. And I'm going to leave it a mystery as to which bird I end up making. I would also like to scatter the odd tutorial video in amongst the project videos. So if you have any requests for tutorials, primarily I do crochet tutorials, but if you want any kind of knitting tutorials, or if there's any other crafty type of things that you would like to learn how to do, any sort of specific stitch or technique, let me know down below. I'm always looking for ideas. Also, if there are any crochet patterns or projects that you've kind of had your eye on that you think might be interesting or fun to do, let me know the name of the pattern in the description down below. I would love to check that out and potentially make the project if it seems interesting. But I think that pretty much catches you up to speed. I'm hoping I will be able to post on a more regular schedule in the coming weeks. So cross your fingers for me that nothing else goes wrong and nobody else gets sick. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you again soon. Bye.